take more photos than ever before. Now Storyline makes it so easy for you to capture your photos and tell your stories. All you need is an album, and there are so many to choose from. They come in 12-inch or 8.5 by 11. Just start by adding photos to the Storyline base pages. Choose the best photos, the ones that make you smile. Grab a set of accessories to add just the right touch. You don't have to spend a lot of time or money to get your stories captured so they can be shared, and make sure they are never forgotten. By simply writing down the who, what, where, and when, you have documented the most basic details in minutes, and you get to keep the memories forever. Have fun using your favorite photos to tell your life story with Storyline.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.